Hi, I'm Meredith from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your forever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat in forward-facing mode using the vehicle seatbelt. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. Remove the infant supports and seat insert and set them aside. The infant supports are for rear-facing use only. Please see your manual for additional information about the seat insert. Now, rotate the cup holders out. Then, pull the lever on the front of the seatbelt trainer to lift and remove it from the car seat, and store it away. It should not be attached in forward-facing mode. Move and store the lower anchor strap in the blue rear-facing belt path by attaching the lower anchor connectors to the storage locations marked with a blue label on either side of the car seat. Unhook the tether strap from storage and lay it in the seat. Using the handle at the front of the seat, recline the car seat into one of the 3 forward-facing recline positions, ensuring it is appropriate for your child's weight. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Place the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. We will attach it later. Next, expose the forward-facing snuglock lock-off by loosening the harness straps and raising the headrest. Lift the headrest pad flap out of the way. Open the snuglock lock-off by lifting the gray lever. Route the vehicle seat belt through the orange forward-facing belt path, making sure it is under the snuglock lock-off and lies flat and isn't twisted. Buckle the seat belt. To tighten the vehicle seat belt, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the shoulder belt while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Once slack is removed, close the snuglock lock-off until you hear a click. Lock the seat belt after the belt is tightened. In most vehicles, slowly pull the shoulder belt all the way out and then let it back in. You will hear a clicking sound. Slowly pull out on the belt to ensure it is locked. Extend the tether by pressing the button and attach. Tighten the tether strap to remove all the slack. Test for tightness by placing your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, open the snuglock lock-off. Remove more slack from the vehicle seatbelt. Close the snuglock lock-off. Then retest for tightness. Replace the headrest pad flap and move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Attach the seat insert if using. Your car seat is now installed.